Get a feel for the 2015 Toyota Tundra. With less than 100,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a boldly beautiful Tundra that delivers serious strength and upscale comfort. Engineered to maximize towing and handling stability, this handsome truck also spoils you with a smooth ride and premium cabin loaded with amenities. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, satellite radio, fog lamps, Bluetooth connection, stability control, rear-wheel drive, pass-through rear seat, tow hitch. Give yourself the advantages of strength and comfort with this impressive Tundra. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.